Hi there, I'm Nathan from Garden Skoda in Aldershot, and today I'll be showing you our Skoda Kodiaq VRS. The VRS specification is an exciting addition to the Kodiaq range with its incredible sports styling. This specific VRS is finished in quartz grey and has VRS design cues such as dual chrome exhaust tips and 20-inch extreme alloy wheels. The car also has a very generous boot with an electric tailgate for ease of access. The interior also shows off its sporty design with red stitching and flat-bottom multifunction VRS steering wheel. It also comes with electrically adjusted, heated leather and Alcantara seats. These high-quality materials stretch all the way to the third row seats, which can be raised to make the Kodiaq a 7-seater. The VRS comes with a seamless 7-speed DSG gearbox and also has dynamic chassis control, giving the driver multiple driving options. There is a 9.2-inch Columbus infotainment system that has SmartLink capabilities, allowing you to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is also a 10.25-inch digital dash with multiple functions and display options. This specific Kodiaq comes equipped with the upgraded Canton sound system, sporting 12 speakers and a subwoofer. All of our Skoda vehicles come with simply clever features, including a ticket holder, ice scraper and umbrellas, making life a little bit easier day to day. So please contact us for any information on our entire range and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching.